You have already learned how to solve quadratic equations by factorizing and by completing the square. Now you are going to learn one more method that will help you solve any quadratic equation. This method helps you find the roots of a quadratic equation by using the quadratic formula. Ancient Indian mathematicians are often credited for finding solutions to quadratic equations. A precise formula was given by Brahmagupta for solving quadratic equations. Later, the Arab mathematician Al-Khwarizmi worked on different quadratic equations. Complete solutions of different quadratic equations can also be found in Abraham Barhia Hanasi's book, Liber Embadorum, that was published in Europe in AD 1145. The quadratic formula can be used to find the roots or solution of a quadratic equation. Here you can see the quadratic formula for the quadratic equation ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. When solving a quadratic equation with the help of the quadratic formula, the values a, b and c of the quadratic equation are substituted into the formula and simplified to obtain the solution. An example will help you understand how this is done. Let's solve the quadratic equation 2x squared minus 7x plus 5 is equal to 0 using the quadratic formula. The quadratic equation is of the same form as ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0, except that the value of a is 2, b is minus 7, and c is 5. This quadratic equation is of the same form as ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0, except that the value of a is 2, b is minus 7, and c is 5. Let's substitute the values of a, b, and c in the quadratic formula and solve it. On simplifying, we get two values of x, 5 upon 2 and 1. So 5 upon 2 and 1 are the roots of the quadratic equation 2x squared minus 7x plus 5 is equal to 0. Now you have learned all the three methods of solving quadratic equations.